I want to set the record straight right now that you do not need a massive email list in order to make a lot of money through email. I was first introduced to this when I built my email list over 15 years ago. This is when it was harder to build an email list, by the way. And I built an email list of 1,000 subscribers, and I launched my first digital course, and I sold $12,500 worth from that 1,000 person email list. And that money was earned over 4 days with 4 emails. From that day forward, I've always thought about the quality of the list versus how big of an email list I can build. But here's the trick. You need to make sure that those people that you are getting to join your email list, they are the right people. And that, my friends, is the secret. That is the hack, guys. Make sure that when you're building an email list, you're building it of the right people. Hey, if you want help building your email list with the right people and you want to learn how to follow up with those people and convert them into sales, I encourage you to check out my email list building playbook over at emaillistplaybook.com. You'll find a 100-page guide there. It's our playbook that we use internally and we use with our private clients. Check it out. I think it'll help you.